Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's adventures, we are about to do our third upgrade. Remember last time we couldn't change the spacers because they didn't arrive here on time, and we started for the exhaust upgrade. But today, luckily, everything is here. Everything arrived luckily on time. So we have everything that we're gonna set up today for my suspension car. So let me show you here what we have. We have the grill for the intercooler, for the oil intercooler mat. So we're gonna put it here. And we have the springs from H&R. They're a bit heavy, but that's what I work out for. And we also have the spacers, Bimec. And this is pretty much what we're gonna be installing today. We are about to go to Boynton Beach because we are gonna do it with the same guy who did our suspension or exhaust. I mean, he's a really good professional. And so let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. Okay, we arrived. We're here in FP Auto. We're gonna do our modification with Mario because he's a BMW specialist, and I'm gonna give him the pieces we bring, and we're gonna transform the suspension stock on a better suspension for performance and visual to get that aggressive look. I think it's gonna be a game changer today. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look into the auto. We were here last time, but I didn't show you guys inside. Okay, so it's time to take action, guys. This is what I showed you this morning, but today we're gonna hear it from Mario's voice because he has more knowledge than me, of course. Can you explain us a little bit what's going on in my car now and what change should I expect after this upgrade?
Okay, so it looks like you got H&R springs.
Yeah.
H&R springs are very popular with the Beamers. It's a mild drop. So it's gonna lower the front and rear probably by like an inch in the front,
and a half, yeah.
or like three-quarters of an inch in the rear. The spacers that you got are Bimec. I believe you got 15mm all the way around.
Yeah.
So wheel spacers are going to give it more of an aggressive look once it lowers, because when you lower a car, the wheels kind of come inward.
Going inward, yeah.
Yeah, so the spacers bring them back out, get them more flush with the fenders. It basically completes the whole look when you lower a car. So.
And it's more about, it's not just the look, it's overall performance as well, right?
Yeah, I mean, essentially putting the car lower to the ground gives it a better center of gravity.
Okay.
So, you know, better for cornering, gives it less strut travel, so
better traction, right?
A little firmer.
Yeah.
Yeah, to give it a sportier feel.
Okay.
You know, a lot of people freak out. They think that like dropping the car is gonna damage their suspension, but there's nothing wrong with it.
There's nothing wrong.
Yeah, it won't.
I was afraid. I have to admit,
Yeah.
I was afraid to maybe don't be as safe as it is the stock ones, but I heard like really good things about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's the BMW shocks are very strong and they last a very long time. I've honestly haven't had to replace any on a G80 yet.
Oh, wow.
So, and I've seen some cars go 50, 60,000 miles on the lowered spring. So, you guys should be fine. The only thing you got to worry about now with a lowered car is the lip.
Yeah.
So, you know, you just got to be careful.
Or higher, like.
Going
bumps,
into parking garages, you just
Uh-huh.
basically have to learn how to like go over
How to
speed bumps.
park, yeah.
So
Be more carefully in terms of
Park
how
backwards.
to drive. Yeah.
Park backwards, never park forward.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's
Because a lot of people
that's
don't know
good
how close they're
advice.
getting it.
Mhm,
They
I
clip
know.
the lips.
Perfect. So let's see. Thank you.
Okay.
Burn it.
The car is ready, guys, and I wanted to show you the results. If you, I mean, I'm gonna show you, but please don't look bad because I know the wheels are dirty because it's been raining a lot in Florida. So omit that part, but look at the wheels are kind of going wider, like they're coming outer of the car. So we have kind of like the wider sensation. So the car is it's getting kind of like bulky, like mama. So we lowered down here in the front wheels and the rear wheels as well. I think it was 1 inch in the front and 3/4 inches in the back in the rear wheels, and it will result in more traction, better perspective, and of course that look of bad girl that I want. Check the results. If you see, like the wheel look actually bigger. It thinks like it's wider, and it's kind of giving that aggressive look that was the final touch. Let me know in the comments what do you think and what's our next upgrade. Stay tuned.
Burn it down to the ashes.